Welcome to Let's Golf, the home of high definition golf in the UK. Okay, before you get started, I know you're going to be very keen to start playing some golf. I just want to give you some very basic pointers to ensure that you position the ball in the right place to be struck, so you get the best information, the best read of the golf ball, the most accurate ball flight to make your game the most enjoyable. Okay, so we're going to start with some very simple basics, just where to position the golf ball for different shots that you're going to play today. The next shot that you're going to be playing today is putting. So the two mats have a middle line, which is the middle of the bay. Place your ball 6 inches ahead of that middle line. And then as a reference point for distance, from that ball to the screen here is 10 feet. You will see a break in the putt by a grid and some green lines moving across that grid. That will be the slope, so you need to allow for any break that you have on the putt as well. You will find a Callaway Warbird ball in the black pot at the back of your booth. You can use your golf balls, but they must be Sharpie marker, any marker pen, they must be Sharpie free, no marks on them and no mud. If you need a new ball, please just use reception. I strongly advise that you use just one ball during play. The cameras are highly sensitive and are set to track white objects. So if you've got multiple balls on the ground, the camera will not know which ball to track. So just one ball during play. Okay, so that's the basics of striking the ball. Now I'm going to show you how to set up a basic game. Okay, so the menu on HD Golf is touch. So you literally just need to select the type of game that you want to play today. Play will be you on a golf course, one of the 20 free championship courses that we offer, mapped in glorious high definition. So you can scroll up and down the menu for the golf course that you would like to play. In addition to play on the course, we offer practice if you'd like to fine-tune your game. There are driving range, chip-in, par-free and putt-in options to practice. Finally, one of the best and one of the newest options that we have here at HD Golf at Let's Golf in Horley is the game section. This is the best option for all types and standards of golfer, from breaking windows legally to golf darts to scoring goals to our new Top Golf game. You've got different options. So the Eliminator is a fantastic game for 2 to 4 players. You set the distance that you would like, the longest yardage on the range. You set the difficulty, you add your players, and then you have your target golf game live and ready to go. So, back to play. So if I just set up an example game for you, so you can minus or plus new players to your game by the plus or the cross button. You can edit the players by tapping the pencil and typing in the characters of the name. Front tee, middle tee, back tee options. The game type, the amount of holes that you can play. Auto gimme means that that putt, for example, the second putt will be an auto gimme. You can select the third putt is an auto gimme. So you will take no more than 2 or 3 putts per green. The gimme distance is set. I always recommend that you have gimme distances at 9 foot. Then any putts short of the screen are a gimme. So this is a very user-friendly setup that I've set up here. Middle tees, stroke play, 18 holes, auto gimme free putt and 9 foot. You press ready to go and then you have your game live to play. So just some basics here then, so you understand whose turn it is to play and can reference some of the yardage and information the game is telling you. So down the bottom left-hand side, you can see whose turn, which player it is to play next. Steve to play, 359 yards to the flag. The lie of the golf ball is on the white tee box. Here is your course planner with the yardages and the hazards to reference for your shot selection and club. Okay? A little tip for you, just make sure when you are close to the green, check the lie of the golf ball. If you attempt to putt from fairway or rough, the ball will not travel very far. Okay, so that's all the basics of play covered. This is the boring bit done. You can now crack on with your group and have a great time. If you need any food and drink, please just go to the servery, the counter there, to order any food or drinks to be delivered to your golf booth. If you have any more questions, please just come and ask one of the reception team. Have a great game.